Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Cooking Kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational ways to get your 9 to 12-year-old interested in cooking, fostering their creativity, and teaching them essential life skills in a fun and delicious way. This video will help you choose the perfect kit that matches your child's interests and skill level, ensuring a positive and rewarding cooking experience. Number 5. Young Chef's Cookbook. Welcome to the world of cooking. This cookbook is designed for young chefs like you, filled with 100+ delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. It's packed with a wide variety of recipes, from simple snacks to more complex dishes. There is something for everyone to enjoy and master. Each recipe includes clear, step-by-step instructions and colorful photos, making cooking fun and accessible for all skill levels. Cooking shouldn't be a chore, it's a journey of discovery and creativity. This cookbook will help you explore the joy of cooking. It's more than just a collection of recipes, it's a guide to building confidence in the kitchen and developing a lifelong love for cooking. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's embark on this exciting culinary adventure together. You'll be amazed at what you can create. What we like. It has a wide variety of recipes to choose from, making cooking fun and easy for young chefs. If you are looking for a cookbook with many different recipes to try, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who want to explore different cuisines and cooking techniques. What people say. This cookbook features over 100 delicious recipes that are not only easy to follow but also fun to make. From breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts, this cookbook has it all. Recipes are simple enough that kids can make corrections if they make a mistake. Great for beginners. The recipes are simple and easy for kids and beginners. Contains helpful tips, even for experienced cooks. My 9-year-old now wants to cook all the time and everything he's made has been a success. Number 4. Baking Book for Young Chefs. Welcome to the world of baking. This book is your guide to creating delicious treats, from simple cookies to impressive cakes. It's filled with over 100 sweet recipes, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. You'll find everything from classic cookies to decadent brownies. But it's not just about sweets. Explore a range of savory options, like savory scones and cheesy bread. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Learn essential baking techniques, from measuring ingredients accurately to mastering different oven temperatures. It'll help you become a confident baker. These recipes are designed to be shared. Bake a batch and share the delicious results with family and friends. Enjoy the process and the delicious outcome. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's get baking. This book will help you create sweet and savory treats that you'll love. What we like. This baking book offers a diverse range of sweet and savory recipes that are perfect for sharing. If you like baking and want to try new recipes, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who love to bake and share their creations with family and friends. What people say. Pretty pictures, easy instructions for young teens, or older, to cook up delicious food. The recipes are simple, and they are yummy things kids would eat. The pictures that are added in are great. My 13-year-old loves this cookbook, so now she is in the kitchen trying new recipes almost every weekend. She has a shopping list for me to go get so she can try out her new recipes. I love the fact that they break everything down for kids to understand and walk them through it step by step so they feel like they're doing it completely on their own but can also ask for help if they have any questions. Number 3. Tovla Junior Kids Cooking Set. It's the perfect gift for any young chef. This complete set has everything they need to start creating delicious meals and baking treats. Made with only safe, non-toxic, food-grade materials, it's designed to build your child's confidence in the kitchen. You can rest assured knowing it's safe for your little one to use. The included recipe book features parent-approved recipes that are easy to follow. Cooking together is a great way to bond and build confidence. Stylish and gender-neutral, it lets your child express their culinary talents. The apron helps keep things tidy while they're having fun. From rolling dough to using the knives, it helps enhance dexterity and hand-eye coordination. It's a fun and educational way to learn valuable skills. This set includes a portable storage case, apron, measuring tools, kid-safe knives, and so much more. It has all the essentials for culinary adventures. What we like. It's a complete cooking set with safe and non-toxic materials, perfect for building confidence in the kitchen. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to get your child started with cooking, this is a great option. It's suitable for kids who want to learn basic cooking skills in a safe and fun environment. What people say. This gift set includes everything kids need to start cooking and baking like real chefs. From utensils and measuring tools to mixing bowls and cookie cutters, it provides all the essentials for a fun and educational cooking experience. The cooking utensils and bakeware are made from durable, food-grade materials that are safe for kids to use. They're designed to withstand the rigors of cooking and baking while ensuring long-lasting durability. The included cookbook features a variety of kid-friendly recipes that are easy to follow and fun to make. It provides step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and colorful illustrations that inspire creativity and culinary exploration. Number 2. Baketivity DIY Cake Pop Kit. It has all the dry ingredients, pre-measured and ready to go. Everything is kosher and made in the USA, so you know it's high quality and delicious. With pre-measured ingredients, a shopping list for what you need, and easy-to-understand instructions, baking becomes a breeze for all ages. Even the illustrations are kid-friendly. It's more than just baking, it's a learning experience. Kids will learn basic kitchen skills and build confidence as they create their own treats. Give the gift of baking and create lasting memories in the kitchen. It's a great activity for family bonding and special occasions. Scan the QR code to access our video guide with our head baker. Your child will feel like a real pro with our step-by-step instructions and helpful tips. What we like. It includes pre-measured ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, making baking a breeze. If you are looking for a convenient and fun baking experience, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who want to bake without the hassle of measuring ingredients. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need as well as clear, easy directions for kids to understand. Having everything portioned out and ready to go made things much quicker. Everything is already measured out. It was so easy for someone learning to bake. Number 1. Baketivity 31-piece baking set. It includes a kid-safe knife, whisk, rolling pin, and more. Everything your young chef needs for safe and easy baking. This set is designed for real food, making cooking easier and safer for little hands. The knife cuts soft food effortlessly. All the tools are non-toxic, food-grade, durable, and easy to clean. It's perfect for little helpers in the kitchen. 12 parent-approved recipes are included with easy-to-follow instructions. Your junior chef will love creating delicious treats. Brightly colored and excitingly packaged, it's an ideal gift for young bakers aged 6 to 10. It will inspire hours of fun in the kitchen. What we like. This set contains real cooking utensils, including a kid-safe knife, making cooking more engaging and realistic. If you want your child to learn using real cooking tools safely, this is the best option. It's perfect for kids who are ready to take their cooking skills to the next level. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.